In this video, we will guide you through the simple process of activating your prepaid SIM card. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or transferring to a new provider, this step-by-step tutorial will ensure you're ready to use your mobile phone without any hassle. Follow these easy instructions to get connected in no time. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Insert the SIM card. First, locate your phone's SIM card tray. Use the SIM ejector tool or a small pin to open the tray. Place your prepaid SIM card into the tray, ensuring it's properly aligned with the cutout. Gently insert the tray back into your phone. Step 2. Power on your device. Turn on your phone if it's not already on. Wait for your device to boot up completely. Make sure you're in an area with good network coverage. Step 3. Check for a signal. After powering on, check the top bar of your phone for a signal icon. If the signal is strong and there's no service message, your SIM card has been detected. Step 4. Activate the SIM card option. 1. Call activation number. Some providers require you to call a special activation number, which is often provided with the SIM card packaging. Dial the number and follow the automated prompts to activate your SIM. Option 2. SMS activation. Alternatively, you may need to send a text message to a specific number to activate your SIM card. The instructions will be included in the package or welcome letter. Option 3. Online activation. Visit your provider's website and follow the activation steps. Most carriers allow you to activate your SIM online by entering your SIM card number or PIN code. You may be asked to create an account with your provider. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once the process is complete, your provider will send you a confirmation message, SMS, or email. If you're using mobile data, try browsing the internet or opening an app to ensure the activation is successful. Step 6. Set up your phone. Optional. After activation, you may need to configure your APN, access point name settings, for Internet and MMS services. Check your provider's website or contact customer service for detailed instructions on setting up APN settings on your device. Step 7. Enjoy your service. Now that your prepaid SIM card is activated, you're all set to make calls, send texts, and use mobile data as per your plan. Always check your balance and data usage to avoid any unexpected charges. Tips: if you face any issues during activation, restart your phone and try again. In case activation fails, contact customer support for assistance. Keep your SIM card packaging handy, as it may contain important details like the PIN, PUK, or other instructions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let us know if you have any questions or run into issues during activation in the comments section below.